Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.